Hey guys, what's up? This is Hotshot. Today is crystal opening day. Today I will open 77 crystals. Out of them 40 are like quest crystal only. So first I will open these Alliance quest crystals. 3 learning the rope crystal, the easiest Alliance quest crystal, and tier 4 catalyst I can get. Oh, even class tier 4 are also there. I really never knew that. Okay, I want basic, so give me basic. No, not battle chips at least. No gold. Okay, good amount of gold, but I really wanted a tier 4 basic catalyst. Mastery core would have been better. Yeah. What I'll do with that? I can get like every week from event quest. Okay, now please something good. Not go. Okay, better than ISO 8. Yeah, 10,000 gold. Okay, this was good. Not awesome. Nothing like that. Not bad also. So tier 4 catalyst again. I'll go for it. Please give me one at least tier 4 basic catalyst. I don't want any class. Anyways, you are not even 2500. One arena I got like crystal. Now from that arena crystal I will get gold. So directly give me gold. Or maybe I get like units from that. Okay, now 2 premium crystals. As always 4 star I want, but till now after opening like hundreds of premium crystal I got only 1 4 star till now. Few 3 stars and their duplicates, but not a 4 star. I want like, I have seen people getting like 4 to 5 4 stars per 100 premium crystal, and I am getting like for 4 to 500 premium crystals only 1 4 star till now. But luck can change anytime, but it's not today for sure. I really hate Ant-Man because of his willpower problem, that he gives lot of fatigue and I really not able to do anything with that. So using in arena Ant-Man is really bad idea. So I think I will be able to open 3 star hero crystal also, because at least I will get 1 3 star hero in this, or maybe those duplicate will produce 3 stars or 3 star shroud, and that will eventually give me a 3 star hero. At least 35 I will easily get. Only 35 needed, right? Yeah. So one more, total 6. Okay, at least give me 3 star. I will get 4 star stats. Then I'll open 4 star myself. Okay, he is one of my champ who is fully upgraded, so this will help. I think now I'll be open to, yeah, I really don't need this. Close. Okay, I will try to click when 4 star is just in the bottom. Yeah, maybe I get. Let's check. No, at least not Ant-Man. So many Ant-Man. Okay, actually I hate 4 star Captain America. You know that? Yes, I really hate 4 star Captain America. He also gives fatigue. So give me now Captain America because I hate him. Give me Ant-Man. Star-Lord is good if I get 4 star. 2 star I have. Really, yes, of course. Increasing signature ability will help me in arena a lot. But time demands 4 stars, because I want 4 star for my battles in arena as well as alliance, because I want to increase my points in 4 star arena. In 3 star I am able to complete like 250k easily, so increasing those champion rating is now not my target. I am now focused on 3 star as well as 4 star champs. Yeah, okay, give me 4 star, and he's really good in, at least, my god, Spider-Man was also there. Okay, actually fatigue is really good if we are fighting in quests like normal quest, because then the critical hit rate is decreased of enemy, and this is really good. Most of them have buff of having higher critical rate or higher damage, and fatigue helps, and so many fatigues together really helps. So I think I will be now able to open a 3-star crystal. So this is like now 78 crystals, and I'll get few 4-star shard from that, and that will be also really good. So let's open now. In 3-star, just don't give me duplicate. I want a brand new hero because I want more number of heroes overall, not a duplicate. So Deadpool was good. Yellow Jacket I have. Rhino I think I have. I really don't remember. No, I don't have. I had 2-star Rhino actually. Okay, that was good. No, I really don't want this. With 500, are you kidding me? Okay, no shard means no duplicate. No 4-star shard. Anyways, getting a 4-star hero is like 2 weeks from here, and 5-star I don't know. Only 50 shards. I should. Only one crystal. I don't know what it will give. Give me anything. Really doesn't matter now. So many I am getting this today. Okay, now level 7. Oh, 4 only. Sorry. I should get more Ronads. Okay, so now let's open these quest crystals, which will not give much, I know that, but still let's open in. Yes, 75 generally, nothing new. More 75s ISOs, more 75 ISOs. Oh, 1 energy and 1 525. After opening 50, you give me like 1 525, 40 crystals almost. Okay, now it is time for daily crystals. Sometimes daily crystals are also really good. They give like things you actually need, like 3-star tier 3 cats of class. So actually that helps because this saves lot of energy, and I'm just always like 1 point away from better reward. Why? Kabam, do you hate me? Please tell. Yeah, give me units. 1-star Gamora. What I'll do with duplicate of 1-star? Even like signature ability is not increased with that. I just get tier 1 cosmic ISO, like 200 points in that ISO. Don't give me like tier 2 cat. I have already so many. I really don't wanted that. Okay, duplicate again. What I'll do with this duplicate? Okay, ISOs were good. 3 crystals. Okay, now time for free crystals, and in the end, arena we will open. I'll open all together. 6 healing. Yes, I needed healing. Potion 6 plus 1 also 7. Now first alliance. Add one more. Add one more. Oh sorry. Yeah. Okay, give me some boost, or maybe 4-star Colossus. Unstable. But not this at least. I have already. Cosmic is like filled. My stash is filled with cosmic only. I really don't want any cosmic ISO. XP boost is good if you have lot of energy, and I'm not going to use this at least in few weeks. Yeah, give me 4-star. So many are coming, but you are giving me like hell with you. Okay, now arena, my last hope. Actually, I now from arena crystals, I want like, if they can give me a 4-star Punisher, or at least few hundred units, or maybe what we can say, like give me energy refills. 45. Oh yeah. Yeah, awesome. No, not for yeah, this is good. Units or energy would have been better than this 5k gold. I have like 200k gold now. I really don't want more. Give me units. Okay, 3-star Punisher is also really good. Awesome. Keep it up. Because I really don't want. I will upgrade him myself. This was my first 3-star Punisher. I don't know when I will get my 4-star. I got few 2 stars, but don't give 525 ISO. You destroyed my 1 crystal. Give me units or these energy refills. So many energy refills you are not giving me. Yeah, again unit. Oh, unit, sorry. This ISO. 2 crystals wasted. Okay, I'll try to click when I get lots of units. Are you? Oh, I'm saved. Still 3000 gold, nothing. Yuck. Okay. Units only, please. This 525 gone, never come back again. Okay, give good amount of units. Yes. 90 I think till now. I want few more units. Like 100 more. Yes, units. Stop now. 45 again. Oh, 15 only. 15 is really less. 45 is good. Like, I'm waiting for a day, like 10 crystals I open and all of them like 45 units and I get 450 units. When that day will come. Actually, that will never come. But that day can come, like I open 1000 crystals and then I get 450 units. Don't give me, yeah, 525. Okay, 10k gold. Good. So this is really awesome. 105 units, 3-star Punisher and 28k gold and these crap ISOs. Yeah. So I have opened all my crystals. So this is it for this video. And in the next video I'll be showing my final preparation of final fight in Groot event. As you can see, I'll show you that I have completed beginners as well as normal, completion as well as exploration. Here you can see only 2 days left. This is also complete, and here only a friend's reward is left. So I'll be preparing for that battle by upgrading my 4 stars, and you'll see if I'm able to complete or not. So this is all for this video. Please like my video guys and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.